Representing the Miss Nigeria. Standing the proud of you. 33, 33, 33. Ang itim-itim, ang tsaka. Post na ka. Paklakaw naman. Representing the Miss Bolivia. 11, 11, 11. Wait mo, ang tsaka. Post. Ang tsaka. Oo, sasalita. Representing! Hey, that's stupid! Jerome Mahopas Ernasol! Standing 1! 1, 1! With 0 in the head! With the eyes of the shape of 0! Ang tagal naman! Nadak. Where are the Miss Universe candidates?